So I want to show you today how to use and brew in this machine. So the first thing you're going to do is take this and fill it up to max line with water. So once you fill it up, you're going to just put it right in the back of the coffee machine and just slides right in like this. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to take our coffee and we're going to fill up this. So there are two different sizes. There's a 2 cup and a 1 cup. So 2 cup takes about 2 of these scoops, 1 cup takes about 1. So we're going to just do the 1 today to show you how that works. So we're going to take a scoop of coffee grounds from your bag and you're going to fill it up. You're not going to go quite full. You want to do it almost full, just like that, because you want to be able to press this down, have it just go below the surface of the edge there, just like that. And then wipe off the excess, and then we're going to put it into here, and you're going to line up this tab with the close, and you're going to rotate it until it's all the way in the fully closed position. And then you're going to put your coffee cup underneath. And then you're going to push the power button. And when it's warming up, it's going to be strobing like this. It doesn't look like that in the video because it's LED, so it's actually flickering in the camera, but not in real life. So once it stops strobing like this, it's going to go solid, and then the steam light will turn off. Now we can choose our 1 cup or 2 cup to brew. So we're going to brew 1 cup, so we're going to push that. And it's going to start to come out of the bottom there. You can hear it brewing and running the hot water through it. So to use the steam option, what you're going to do is press the steam button, and it's going to, again, slowly pulse. Once it's solid, then you know it's ready to go, which now it's solid. So you're going to turn this dial all the way down to steam mode to get any residual water out. So now that it's only steam coming out, you're going to turn it off. Then I'm going to grab the cup with milk, and I'm going to hold the handle on this side because it does get hot. And then I'm going to turn it to the on position after I get in the milk. I'm going to move it up and down just below the surface so I get the right amount of frothing that I want out of the milk. And then you're going to just immerse it a little bit in the milk to heat it up. Gets to the point you want it to go. So it's just kind of steaming the milk now. And you can feel it on the mug heating up. So you want to get nice and hot. Okay, so now it's nice and hot, so I'm going to turn it off. And then if I want to exit steam mode and go back to coffee for later, I just push it again and it'll reset back to coffee, and then I can turn it back off. So I now have my espresso and I have my froth milk, so I'm going to pour the froth milk in. And there we go. Now I have a cappuccino. So this is a great little machine if you are someone looking to get started drinking espresso or cappuccinos, or even an enthusiast who just wants that extra little machine in their kitchen. This is a really great option for you, and I highly suggest you check it out.